Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy device on installment through Etisalat application. So first of all, you need to download and install the E and UAE mobile application on your device, and then you will have to some of the things before actually purchasing the items. Now, first of all, you will have an existing postpaid account and a valid UAE credit card, and remember the debit cards are not allowed here. So once you are in your Etisalat UAE application, you just have to simply log in into your account, and in order to log in, you will have to tap on this download button in the top right hand corner and provide your E and UAE account number and login credentials, and you can even log in with the help of your UAE pass. Now once this tap is done, you will have to tap on the devices option, or you can even tap on the shop option, and over here you can just explore the available devices and you can just choose the one that you wish to purchase. So here you will see a bunch of different categories like smartphones, accessories, laptops. So select the one that you want to purchase basically. Now after selecting it, you will have to simply select the installment plan option for the device, and you need to carefully review the details of the installment plan, including the down payment, monthly installments, and the total cost. So you will see all of these details at the time of checkout. So then you need to input your UAE credit card information and then confirm your order and complete the purchase. Your device will be delivered to your address, and this way you will be able to buy the devices on installment through Etisalat app. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.